Hey guys, welcome to week 4. So let us see what all is due in week 4. You obviously have your Zoom class this week. We are going to meet on Wednesday. And then you have your final research question due. So the final research question should already be there with you because you have done the revisions that needed to be done through instructor feedback and through peer feedback and all of those things. So this should basically be you able to just type your research question. So if you look at this document over here, this is where you just type your research question and state whether your research is quantitative, quality, or mixed methods. Look at the rubric. As you can see, the rubric will have all the criterias. Here is the rubric for your qualitative research question, which is out of 10 points, as you can see. Most often, a qualitative research question would have 1 or 2 sub-questions. Sometimes it may not have a sub-question. It may all be a central question. So that is why you can see that there is an NA over here. If you do not have a sub-question, then this is just times 2. And so this is over here. Your quantitative research question is right over here. Once again, it is times 2 depending on all of those things and where you fall on the rubric. If you have a mixed method study, then you have to have a quantitative and a qualitative research question. So they are 5 points each. So this is how that works for the final research question, which you already would have had. I also put a document here, which is the purpose statement and the research question stems. So if you look at this document and you click on this document, you are going to see from the Creswell book is I gave you some sort of a stem that has the purpose statement that you'll be using a little while later, and then the research question stem. So you have a qualitative, it starts with how and what, and then is the, relationship, what is the relationship, or however you want to say is influence, what is the influence, and then this is there. A quantitative research question is, again, some of them starts with what, some of them will be does, are, is, all of those are actually all quantitative research questions. So this is what is there. Once again, for mixed methods, you would have both qualitative and quantitative research question. So let's go back. So this is basically an assignment where you just are retyping your research question and putting it there. Your next assignment is your APA assignment, which is for 25 points. Let me make sure you understand that that is for 25 points. It is very simple. You do not have to read the whole APA manual. So what you are going to do is you're going to look at this APA assignment here and then correct the errors. So let me go first show you this part. So I actually identify where the error is coming from. So all your item 2 to item 9 are from chapter 2 of the APA manual. Item 10 to 16 are chapter 8. You have 2 items that are from chapter 9, but the item 20 to 27 are 9 and 10. And the only reason the chapter 10 is included is because it actually has examples of each one of them, which would be very, very helpful as you move forward. So let me show you what it looks like. So when you open up your APA assignment, you are going to see that I have marked every one of them with an error. Not only with an error, but I have also put what type of error could it be. So the first one I do it for you, like in the second one, error in how the name is written. What is it? And then you can write the right one. Error in the position of the text. So what should it be? Right now it is left justified. So what is it going to be? Once again, do you need this? So you make a justification for it. Paragraph indentation, what should it be? Font size, type and size. So look at all the font size and type that is okay by APA to be used. And then your spacing, what should be the spacing? Then here again, check orientation of the paragraph. Right now it is justified. So those are your errors over here. Then I start talking about level heading errors. I talk about in-text citation errors, and I actually give you, give you hints throughout each of the errors that you want to do. So your part 2 is all related to your reference list, is the different errors that you have. And as you can see, all of these are marked. So you're going to look at this document and then you are going to look at your student sheet and see the first one is done for you. The title of the paper is not double spaced and the first letter should be in the capital. So it needs to be double spaced, needs to be bold, centered, and position in the half of it should be separated by double space line. It is on page 32 of your APA manual, which is your chapter 2. So you can look at it. Every single item is for 1 point. One of the things to keep in mind is for the references, I actually say write the correct reference. When I say write the correct reference, so then error is like 0.5 and write the correct reference is 0.5. But that is very important for you to be able to write the correct citation. Okay. You have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm right here to support you as you move forward. And here are your Dropbox. Let me mark this. Here is your Dropbox for the final research question. And here is your Dropbox for the APA assignment. Another thing that I have done to help you navigate through this is when you click on the assignment, it actually has the assignment as an attachment also. So if you forget which is the assignment part of it, it has the assignment. So APA assignment has the APA assignment student sheet attached over here. Okay, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Best of luck!